Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. You got me, Mark. Lambogo. For today, we have a follow-up reaction video. Last week, I uploaded a reaction video and I got several comments. And yep, it is a refreshing group, and I really love to listen to another of their performance. So thus the back-to-back for this week reaction video. I'm talking about the group known as Beanie, and the song that we'll be listening and reacting to is Zero Pressure. Zero pressure, pushing down the beat, pushing down the beat. Da, 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 da. That's a different pressure. It's under pressure. Joke, joke, joke. Before we give this song a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go. In 3, 2, 1.
Heaven knows the force of nature are coming like a hurricane. I'll take it down without a chaser, so everybody knows my name. It ain't about the fame, I wanna be remembered for the way the world gon' change. Yes, I got fire in my blood when I move. No, you won't catch me holding out for a miracle. I'm right here and I got nothing to lose. Baby, I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back, no. Give a little extra, always doing better. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gotta grab before it goes. Even if it falls to ruins, I'll never give in to the pain. It ain't about the fame, I wanna be remembered for the way the world gon' change. Yes, I got fire in my blood when I move. No, you won't catch me holding out for a miracle. I'm right here and I got nothing to lose. Baby, I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back, no. Give a little extra, always doing better. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. 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 Yeah, I got fire in my blood when I move. No, you won't catch me holding out for a miracle. Right here and I got nothing to lose. Baby, I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back, no. Give a little extra, always doing better. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds.
And that is the end of the song. I noticed yung sa dulo, is parang it gave me this feeling dapat pala ano yung may chronology yung pag ano no yung watching and reacting dito kasi at the end of this video nakita ko yung part na they were looking at this ano yung parang map na 3D which was the same parang continuation scene no yung nireactan natin last week where they were also looking into that 3D map tapos they were all of a sudden parang yung video was situated yung parang sa island or desert or something. Basta parang ganun. Galing, galing. Uh, yung unang comment ko lang, yung it wasn't part of the song, it was part of the video, I think. Yung parang there's a certain scene, tapos may feedback na talagang parang nakakuliling yung utak ko. Ayun. Ayun lang. For me, hindi siya necessarily part ng song, I guess. But if it were, parang mas maganda i-skip ng part na yun. Kasi hindi, yung ano siya eh, yung ang sakit sa talaga, yung sa utak na, parang umakit sa utak ko yung feedback na yun. Yun. Anyway, yung the music is very, ano, para sa akin, it's hard to, ano eh, pero parang very organic na, yung parang when you hear yung beat, yung dong, 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 parang it's something, it makes you feel na parang narinig ko na to eh, parang this was used by this group. Pero hindi eh. Parang ganon, yung may ganong pull na it gives you that feeling pero hindi naman. Parang ganon. Tapos may electronics din. Kaya I'm trying to associate it with a particular year, a particular genre hindi naman. Pero yung era where this is extensively used, parang ang hirap siyang i-match eh. Some would argue na 80s, pero maybe, pero hindi yung ganitong yung use nila eh, na parang yung beat is parang upbeat siya, mabilis. Pero yung singing hindi mabilis. Yung parang it's a different tempo, pero swak siya. Nagaan siya, nag-i-intertwine or interlace ba yon. Kaya ang ganda nung ano, from an arrangement perspective, good job sa ano, yung nag ano ng music, yung nag-areglo kumbaga. Also in the previous video, yung previous reaction ko, I mentioned about yung sana ganto ganyan to get to know more of them, ano, see them from an individual standpoint. Dito in this performance, although personality wise, hindi yung I mean yung singing ano dynamics, hindi ko pa rin siya ma-distinguish. Pero yung visual, you can see their individuality na parang talagang ano, parang United Colors of Benetton kumbaga, yung iba-iba yung itsura nila, yung you can identify na this person from this person. Siguro ako I can't associate the name yet, hindi ko pa sila kabisado. Pero in terms of their looks, yung it's easy to identify them na kasi merong nakatali yung buhok, merong may color, parang naka-bun. Yung may individuality kumbaga, hindi sila cloned or duplicated from a visual standpoint. In terms of their dancing naman, you I like the fact na yung timing nila spot on na hindi mo mafe-feel na walo sila. Ang ano no contradicting nung sinasabi ko na there's individual I can see the individuality na appreciate ko na meron silang yung may sarili silang ano drift kumbaga. Pero from a performance standpoint, yung pagkakasabay-sabay nila, makikita mo talaga yung synchronicity nila. Parang apat lang sila. Pero kung titignan mo, ay walo sila. Pero yung movement nila, feeling mo parang ang lit-lit na grupo. Yung, uh, I guess what I'm saying is from the choreography standpoint, hindi siya super complex na may back dive or ano, 'di ba? Pero alam mo yung when you're singing, keeping in mind yung formation ninyo, where you should go, yung per segment ng song, yung parang ang dali-dali para sa kanila gawin. It's easy for them to execute. Ayan. Finally, yung video, I want to circle back to the video kasi ang ganda nung ano, hindi siya yung super, it doesn't look super, I would say, ano, parang super, how do we say that? Yung from scenes, yung scenes where this was shot, parang it looks like a few places lang, pero they were able to make it sophisticated, I guess. That's the word I'm looking for. Ito, kung titignan mo, parang kala mo car park lang, di ba? Pero yung having that, let me pause, asan yung mouse? Having that nice, ano, yung shiny ceiling, tapos parang, yung floor reminds me of, ano, yung sa that game, yung Honor of Kings, 'di ba? Yung character yung gagawin niyang tubig yung sahig. Parang ganun yung ano yun, effect. Tapos ito because super shiny nung ceiling, it looks like this is a reflection of that. Galing 'di ba? Yung parang it's they're able to maximize yung venue, make it look super cool, super sophisticated. Even yung isang scene na parang plain blue lang. Pero yung color kasi, the color choice and that this yung parang lighting, I'm not sure if this is a filter or what have not. Pero it matches yung clothing nila. Kaya ang galing, di ba? Ang galing lang nung ano, whoever conceptualized the video. So again, still love to watch more of their performance, pero I think yung ano na, I would go for a live performance, preferably yung a concert, yung talagang open, ano, let's see how good they are in terms of singing and dancing at the same time. Tingnan natin kung um, how they draw the crowd emotion, yung reaction. For now, that's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. By the way, sorry, nakakalimutan ko i-mention. Thank you to Kiseriota. Apologies kung na-mispronounce ko. Salamat for recommending this video. And again, that's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. And ito pala yung pwede nyong gawin to support our channel. Please do the following. Ayun, nag-subscribe na ako kay Beanie. Please do as many as you can sa nakikita nyo sa screen. Don't forget to tell your family and friends din. Always stay safe. And I'll see you on the next video.